these are some of the places in South Africa that are always at its best. No matter what happens in the country, these places are kept clean, they are monitored, and I'm so proud, man, to be just walking around and you can see the people are cleaning, the security guards. It's so safe. So I'm here in Park Station, Johannesburg, and I'm gonna catch a train to Germiston. So those are the elevators and those are the stairs. So you can use either one of the two, and this is the ticket. It's only 6 rand. I'm gonna buy another one on the other side because once you buy a return ticket, it's 20 rand. So I saved about 8 rand, right? So this is how it looks, and I decided to take the stairs. It's so safe, man. It's so safe, and this is platform 5. Platform 5 is for Germiston, right? And when you are in Germiston, platform 6 is for Joburg. So normally the train from Johannesburg goes to Germiston 20 past 20, every 20 past there's a bus. So yeah, so it's 20 past 3 here, and let's go and check it out and see what is happening in the trains. They look so beautiful, they look so clean. They are better than the old train. The old trains were yellow and they were so tired. I think they were built in the 60s and the 70s, and they kind of showed the struggle, man, the struggle of South Africa. So these ones are good. They're so classy and they're so comfortable inside. So this is how they look inside. You can see the seats there. The cleanliness, number one, even though I don't see the bins, which is something that kind of worried me, but I'm so excited to see Germiston. So let's go. So I remember when I was staying in Regenbach, I used to take a train to Cleveland. I was working in Cleveland, I think 2010, 2012. I used to count stations because I was still young at the time. And it was during holidays, and my grandfather would hook me up with a job and I'd go there to work at a plastic company, right? So now I've realized that most companies are closed, hence people are not working. There's a lot of unemployment in the country, right? So now it's difficult, to even see a couple of people going to work. Hence the trains are so empty these days, because back then when you go to a train, you needed to be fit because you have to fight to get inside, right? So now it's just kind of like few people that uses trains because there's lack of jobs. It's so sad. It's something that we don't talk about, and we think that people are exaggerating when they say people are not working. So finally I'm in Germiston, and I'm gonna go around and see how it goes because the last time I was here, it was 2014. Before I went to Mpumalanga. So those are the people, but those people are just small, man. It used to be crowd. When you go out, you need to be strong and ready, even when you get inside, right? There were stories. I don't know if you have had any stories. If you know any stories about Johannesburg Park Station in Germiston or anywhere in Johannesburg, let me know in the comment section. What are the stories about the train? What did they say to you that made you to want to go to take a train or not want to go to take a train? So I'm here in Germiston and I'm gonna give them the ticket so that I can go out. Anyway, let's go and see what's happening. one thing about Germiston, it is so clean. You can smell the cleanliness, unlike Joburg. So let's just go around and see what is happening. And yeah.